Today is the day. We're gonna wire this 8x8 house up. The team that work on this, including me. Dude, what's your name, bro?
My name is Chris, Skinny Dude Chris.
And this angry looking guy, tall guy. Hey, what's your name, bro?
Darius Ferguson, bro.
Darius. We have this big guy. Hey, what's your name, bro?
Hey man, my name's Roy Washington. How y'all doing, man? Here with my boy Don.
Moment of truth. The instructor gonna go test this now. Mister, you scared me. It works, it works. It works.
Hell yeah. You got power, y'all.
We finna test them out, right? Are you ready? Are you ready? Your phone. That's like your phone got a fall. Are you ready to test it today? I'll do it. The fan right there, your hot.
You press it to take a second. You don't press on the button. It's already green.
Hey, the fan right there, your hot.
Don't press on the black button when you set it. So go ahead and set it. So that's what on. Okay, press on that. Okay, take it off for a second. Okay, so let's check the other ones quickly.
Oh, fans is on. Can we turn on the light for the fan? We need the light for the fan, bro. Light for the fan. Ah, there you go.
So later you push it through the hole. So is everything working? Where is that?
I think somebody messed up on this one.
Reset it. It doesn't reset? No. Okay, the switch must be off. You need to put on all the switches before you turn on.
There you go.
Hey, nobody messed up. Stop playing with me.
Okay. You said it
Plug
worked.
it in.
Okay, press on the button. Okay, that's good.
What you mean? I plugged them in.
Take it and reset.
Hey, you did it
Okay.
good. The switch isn't on, my boy. Let's
Yes,
see the switch is
There
on,
you
my boy.
go.